Yo. I'm out here with Leno, man. My barber. Leno, what we going to talk about today, man? We're going to talk about the draft. We're gonna Who, Leno?
Tom, that's it.
Tom Brady. Boy, I tell you. Cheating ass Tom Brady.
Appreciate you.
I'll check y'all next week.
All right.
Cowboys had a cold draft, man. We finna mash niggas up.
You said Clippers too, right?
We got Randall Corn on the cob.
These.
Amari Cooper, Whitney's back. Michael the Horse Gallup. And we also had a great draft. You know what I'm saying? We finna be in that thing. I think it's our year, man. You know what I'm saying? Leno holler at Jordan King. You know he gonna see this.
Oh, his shoe game trash.
Jordan King, Leno say what's up. Bullshit ass, cheating ass Patriots. You know what I'm saying? We in this thing, man. Cowboys, man. Come on, man. We Cowboy fans around here, Leno. Leno, Durant hit them boys for 50, man. What's up with that?
He all right.
Rockets done, man. What you think the Rockets gonna do, Leno? They out of there in 6, man. They out of there with 6. I'm just chopping it up with Leno, man, like I do every Saturday, you know what I'm saying? My YouTube people, man, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you put your friends on my channel, man. You heard?
Get out of here, nigga.
You know, get your homies to subscribe, push the like button, push the bell for notifications.
You
Make
Ethiopian,
sure
right?
you subscribe.
Oh, all right, then. Just check.
And look, I'm gonna change the title of my YouTube channel
Ethiopian, bro.
to Welcome to the Psych Ward. And I'm finna be
Brady,
all kinds of
Brady,
stuff.
nigga.
That's my homie. That's my homie Laro. You can tell he a cheater. You can tell he cheats on his wife.
Damn cheater.
You can tell he cheats on his wife, man. You heard? But anyway, welcome to the Psych Ward. Subscribe, push the bell. You know what it is. It's your boy Nip. Salute. Leno, tell them we got it already.